Hello, and happy Monday to all of my amazing Taurians. This is Queen Amun Ra coming to you with a very special reading on today, Taurus. Hopefully you all are having a great day today. I know that you are, because that is the intention you set. Yes, Taurus, we are moving towards this full moon. Yes. So there's a lot of activity going on around you, and I want to make sure you all stay firm and stable. But I know I don't have to tell you all that, because you all are, your symbol is the bull. So you all are always stable and just, reliable energy. So but you got to be prepared for the energies around you. That's what I want to help you all with. Okay, let's get it. Most High God in the universe, please give me a special reading for my amazing Taurians as it relates to every area of their lives, specifically in areas of power and intellect, money and wealth, creativity and emotions, and spirituality, and where they need to take action. I'm talking to my logical, generous, and trustworthy, determined, practical, devoted, responsible, stable, organized, kind, understanding, patient. Yes, bulls, I am talking to you. Let's go. First card that came out was this card right here. It was the strength card, because this is what you're going to need, having to deal with the energies around you. Yes, trying to get you all fired up and out of sorts. So I need you all to stay strong. Stay strong, okay? All right, so let's get into this reading. This is a general reading, so please take what resonates with you. If you are interested in a personal reading, go to my website, queenamunra.com, and select schedule your session. Here we go. King of Swords. I need you all to be laser focused and get as far away from these types of energies as possible, because let me tell you something, moving towards the full moon, and I got to caution you all about this, because this is what you all are going to be coming up against. The full moon means that the moon will be fully illuminated. Just remember that the moon is aligned to our feelings, subconscious habits, emotions, and moods, right? Right, okay? So as the moon starts to illuminate more and more and more, we're in a waxing crescent moon, and a waxing crescent moon is encouraging you to stay faithful and stay positive, high vibrational, no matter what is going on around you. I gotta add this disclaimer, because we can't control other people around us, right? You can be people's guides, but you are not their gods, okay? Good, I'm glad y'all got it, right? There are going to be some energies that's going to really show out around you. It could be family members, it could be friends, it could be colleagues, it doesn't matter who it is. But that full moon will expose how people really feel. They may want to blame it on everything else, but it's actually them. Do not give people a pass. When you see it, when you see a person is being arrogant, inflexible, lazy, dogmatic and prideful, domineering, jealous, or sees you as competition, believe it when you see it and get away from them. See how this person, elbows up, feet up, they racing towards their goals? That's when I need you to stay really, really focused, and focus on balancing out your own energy. You all are nurturers by default, right? Nurturers by default. People can blame it on everything under the sun, but won't take responsibility for their actions, Taurus. That's why I need y'all to exit stage left, move, just get out of their way altogether, because they will burn you, and they will burn you with a blowtorch, burn you, right? I need you to be in posture of gratitude. Continue being in a posture of gratitude, because you don't want to keep being burned by certain people and then them trying to manipulate your energy. Well, I was going through this and I was going through that. Nope. You burned me one too many times, I'm out, gone, right? Be patient with your whole process. This is attached to the planet Neptune, which is currently retrograde right now. And so you want to start focusing on just being patient with yourselves. You all are one of the most patient signs in the Zodiac, right? But again, everybody has their, that area where it's like, okay, now you pushed the envelope a little too far. So you want to tap into your strength, and so continue remaining a sweetheart that you are, Taurus, right? And focus on your fresh new start and your new beginning without certain people, right? Certain people, no, and just be grateful. Be grateful that you have seen enough, right? The number 10, we are approximately 10 days away from the next full moon. So I'm telling you, I'm trying to get everybody geared up. So when you start to recognize certain behaviors in people, one thing people cannot do, everybody has a good side and everybody has a bad side, but it's a choice in how you control that, right? That's everybody. I don't care who you are. Nobody on this planet is perfect, but you need to learn people need to learn how to balance it out. So that bad side needs to come out. If somebody kidnaps you or does something to you or holds a gun to your head or comes in and tries to rob your household or whatever, that part needs to come out. So you don't want to get rid of that altogether. I just want you all to be able to recognize when a person has exposed themselves, okay? Yes. All right, good. The number 10 simply means instant manifestation. That's all it means. And when you think about the number 10, think about instant manifestation is you and God. God being the 0 being the God number, that's God. That's the 1 is you, right? So it's you and God. So sometimes you need to just exit stage left out of a situation. 10 also means that you can manifest ideas, you can manifest thoughts, you can manifest goals and emotions easily and often instantly. So yes, this is where you want to really, really get into it and say, you know what? I have the power to manifest exactly what I want right away. Some of y'all just need to leave situations. You know what? I want my peace back. I need to leave this situation because this person has, or this energy, person, place, or thing has been disrupting my peace and I'm out. See ya. I'm not waiting for the full moon because I saw enough, right? So even if it happens on the day before the full moon, be out. Out. See ya. Bye. Goodbye. Because that energy is disrupting your money. And look at all this money in your cars. That energy is totally disrupting your money. That's all I need to hear for real. You messing with my money, I'm out. See you. Bye. All right. So this is how I see you feeling when you decide I'm sailing away from the drama. I'm gone. Right. I'm sailing away from the emotional drama, the manipulation, the this and that, and all of this, the crying. One day you feel good, the next day you're just moody all over the place. Again, as we get closer and closer to this full moon, it starts exposing everything in us, within us, and around us. So you want to make sure you are acting, in a way where you're protecting your own energy, your own emotions, your own creativity. You want to protect you, right? This is where you want to focus on nurturing yourself. This is what's going to be replaced by more money. Yeah. There's no need to overthink it. How many times do you need to see it happen? You don't need to overthink it. This is what you're moving towards, the fullness in your pocketbook, your money, to create the life that you want. You don't need to deal with people's drama. That's what they got psychiatrists and psychologists and therapists for. You don't need to do all of that. That's too much. That's too much. Okay, you flaked out one last time. That's it. I'm done. Here we have the 4 of Wands, right? I see somebody celebrating outside of their house. So whether you are celebrating somebody leaving the house and no longer, or you leaving the house and moving into your new space, or you celebrating outside of your job, your new job or your old job. But again, you want to be at peace with all of it. But I see you celebrating, right? And I'm also seeing you being the Queen of Pentacles. Again, you're very magnetic energy. This is where you were always headed anyway. Sometimes it takes a minute to kind of sort of budge, especially as a fixed sign. You all are fixed signs, because you could be fixated on this idea. You know what? Maybe this is the job that I should be in. So I'm going to just wait for everything to kind of sort of die down and things to kind of sort of, the happen the way that I want them to happen. Like I'm going to hold out for this. I'm going to hold out for that. But how many times do you get burned by somebody who keeps overlooking you for positions? How many times do you get burned before you decide, you know what? I like the company. I don't like working under this particular manager. So let me go find a position somewhere else, right? I got enough emails of people saying, yes, I love your work. I love the work that you do. Let me just move on to another department, right? Or how many times do you get burned by family members and friends before you finally decide, you know what, I need to replace them with something else. I need to just move on. How many times you get burned by your partner before you finally decide, hey, you know what, it's time for me to leave, or it's time for you to leave, right? So let's just go ahead and just end this and just move on, right? Yes, because everything that is being removed from your life is actually being replaced by the life that you said you wanted. You said you wanted more money, then you're going to have to lose something on the other side, right? You said you wanted a better job, then you're going to have to lose something on the other side. But it's really not a loss. It's actually a gain for what you want. It's just being removed so that you can get exactly what you spoke into existence. That's why I tell everybody all the time, words are very powerful. You say you want X, Y, and Z, be prepared for something to be exposed and even lost. Yeah. Burning bowl ritual. So use that same fire that people use to burn you, to burn their name up in that burning bowl ritual, so you can just send it right into the universe, right? Or that job right into the universe, or procrastination right into the universe. Whatever it is that you need to let go of so that you can have this life that you wanted to speak into existence, your happiness, your peace, your joy, more money. Yep, taking your power back, all of that. Yes, taking your power back, peace, joy, happiness, whatever. What are you willing to sacrifice? What are you willing to step away from permanently so that you can have the life that you want? Yeah, that's what your mindset is. That's what's being exposed, right? So don't get uncomfortable about what's being exposed. Get excited about what's being exposed so that you can move forward towards a life that you spoke into existence, Taurus. That is what I have for you. So get that burning bowl ritual started. Love it. That's what I have for you. Have a fantastic day, Taurians. I know you will, because that is the intention you set. Bye. And congratulations on your, moving and all this other wonderful stuff coming your way. Bye.